Hi, this is Alonzo Walker from Massey Toyota here in Kinston, North Carolina. And I got a vehicle in front of you guys today. And the vehicle I have today is a 2021 Toyota Corolla. We're going to go over some of the features that this vehicle has that I think compares and beats the competition. And the first thing we're going to talk today about is fuel economy. On the 2021 Corolla, you get, on the highway, you get 38 miles per gallon. In the city, you get 30. In combination, you get 33 miles per gallon. Now that's outstanding for a vehicle like this. The second thing we're going to talk about today is Toyota Safety Sense. On this particular vehicle, the Toyota Corolla, is Safety Sense 2.0. But unlike our competitors, every single Toyota has some form of safety sense on it. We're going to talk about the Corolla today. The Corolla itself has Safety Sense 2.0, which helps you with pre-collision avoidance, cross-traffic alert, also have blind spot monitoring or blind spot alert. That's just some of the features that are standard on the Corolla. On the inside of the vehicle, just some of the things that are included on the vehicle. You get 3 months of XM radio. All 2021s have Android and Apple CarPlay capability. One of the other features that are also standard on this vehicle is it has the automatic park brake. So you can just automatically put the car in park and the brake automatically sets itself. From the inside of the vehicle, some of the things that you can see and have, we have XM radio that's free for 3 months. Also, the vehicle is Apple CarPlay and Android capable. Also, you have a automatic park brake. So there's no need to engage the park brake on the side anymore. As soon as you put the car in park, it automatically sets. And the last thing I'm gonna talk to you today about is comfort. I'm 6'1", 185 pounds. Yeah, right. So I fit here pretty easily. I've driven several of these vehicles and they drive very, very well. So if you're a small person, you're gonna just love this vehicle. Once again, I'm Alonzo Walker, aka Big Zo, coming to you from Massey Toyota here in Kinston. Please feel free to give me a call either here at the dealership at area code 252-523-6111, or you may also contact me on my cell phone, area code 252-268-0523. You can also visit us on our website at masseytoyota.com. Look, you guys have a great, blessed day and look forward to seeing you guys